Huawei has just introduced the new Nova 13 series. It includes two models, Nova 13 and Nova 13 Pro. They have a more or less similar design, although on the back you can differentiate them because one has a module that covers all the cameras, while the other seems to have a separate camera. The Pro model is the one with the full black capsule. Also at the front, the Nova 13 model comes with a simple cutout, while the Pro has a wider cutout to place two front cameras. Regarding the display, the base model is 6.7 inches in size with OLED technology, full HD plus resolution, of one of the 4 cameras in its refresh rate, and comes with a double strengthened glass that they claim has been developed with lithium, silicon, and aluminum. I'm not sure how it works, but it's curious that they didn't say it's Kunlun glass, but I'm guessing it will be a similar technology. The Pro model changes because its screen is slightly larger, reaching 6.76 inches with a bit more resolution, but the rest of the stuff is very similar to the screen of the base model. As for the cameras, we will find the main 50 megapixel sensor with a feature called Ultra Optical Zoom, which I assume will maintain a good quality zoom. Then we will find the telephoto lens with 3x zoom and 12 megapixels. And finally, an ultra-wide camera with 8 megapixel macro capabilities. This for the Pro model, since the base model does not integrate telephoto camera, but it does integrate the good features of the other cameras. Meanwhile, for the front camera, we will find 60 megapixels in both cases with a tremendous width, but at the same time, the Pro model integrates a camera with 2x zoom and autofocus to be able to capture the closest details of your face. As for the battery, the Pro model has a capacity of 4,600 mAh, while the base model goes up to 5,000 mAh. In both cases, they are capable of receiving 100-watt charging, which according to Huawei figures, reach about 50% in just 9 minutes. Both also have satellite connectivity to send text messages or even images where there is no cellular signal, but only in China, and integrate 4 new artificial intelligence functions. One that allows you to identify expressions that have gone wrong from your friends to improve those expressions in your photos. Another one removes objects or people from your image. Another one is capable of extending the image to imagine what would be on the sides, above or below if you want more space. And finally, one more to extract objects or people from the image and crop them with transparency. This with respect to images, but they also have other functions focused on documents to summarize. Another one to take care of your skin, and another one to plan trips. All this included in HarmonyOS 4.2. And finally, with respect to their prices, the most economical 256GB Nova 13 is priced at 2,699 yuan. That's more or less $378, but remember that the prices here are not the same as over there. There is another edition with 512 gigabytes and another edition with a terabyte, which is the most expensive. However, the more basic 256 gigabyte Nova 13 Pro is more expensive than the 1 terabyte model of the traditional Nova 13, reaching 3,699 yuan. That's approximately $520, and also in Nova 13 Pro there are higher storage editions.